welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing. So this is my cat here and I'll unbox the second anniversary of Babymonster. This is like the photo book. I have one for the first anniversary and this is the second photo book. Babymonster Era 2, so this is very cute. These probably are the pubs, and I wanted Asa pubs, but when I asked it, the Asa was not available anymore, so I got Rora's. I love Rora as well. So let's see. So beautiful. I really love these photo cards. So I'm happy I got Rora in here. Yay! So let's unbox this. So this is more like a box and the first one is more like a sturdy book, and I thought the style would be the same, that would be cuter, you know. Sorry, this is a hot coffee mug here, Mark. Wow, this box is very sturdy, so I don't know where to start. Maybe here. Ooh, so some flowers representing each of the girls, I think. Oh, this one is very cute. These are stickers. Very cute. Love these photo cards, and as you can see, is the same outfit that this one, but I prefer the pop actually. Very cute. Whoa, there's a lot of photo cards in here. Love this one. This concept is very cool. I love Perita pink hair. So many photo cards. I think this is more than my collection. It's not more, but almost. So cute! This is a little calendar postcard situation. That's very cute. Very cute. I love this. Some messages here. And Photobook. This is very cute. It's missing a photo here, right? Because it's always two. And here as well. Some messages from the girls. Oops. Lovely. I don't really like this style of binding because some pictures you can see very well because you can't open it very well. Like in here, you barely can see Porita. But other than that, very nice, and with so many inclusions. I love the inclusions. So thank you for watching this. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.